Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville. We got a fresh trade, a 2020 Nautique G25. This has got a beautiful full color hull, includes the tandem axle trailer, got the flight control tower with built-in bimini and 4 tower speakers. Come around to the back, let me show you some more features. This boat is loaded out. We've got the fiberglass swim platform, the extendable stainless steel docking ladder, underwater lights, underwater exhaust, got the stern thruster right there as well. You got the NSS surf system on this boat, transom seats, GoPro mounts, just to name a few. Let's take a walk inside and show you some more features. All right, now that we're up inside, you guys can take a look at some of the features that this boat has. Look at the huge bow on this boat. We've got the removable bow filler cushion, the pop-up armrests. We have the pocket wind air dam door, walk-through windshield, upgraded board racks, 4 tower speakers, got the heater system inside the boat, passenger heated seat and driver's heated seat, wireless chargers off to your side, illuminated cup holders as well. Boat only has 91 hours on it and we've just serviced it. All it needs is a good wash and we'll be ready to take it to the lake. Come by and see it yourself.